Dentitox Pro review, does it work? Genuine consumer complaints? The epidemic situation, everyone, please treat your illness at home with supplements. Dentitox Pro drops benefits. On the off chance that you apply Dentitox Pro arrangement orally consistently and follow the suggestions, you will encounter the accompanying medical advantages. Dentitox Pro lifts your invulnerability so you have the ability to battle different teeth and gum sicknesses. Dentitox Pro backings your teeth and gum well-being. Dentitox Pro lessens awful scent and breath from your mouth. Dentitox Pro improves your teeth conditions as depressions diminish normally. Dentitox Pro drops lessens the yellowness of your teeth. Dentitox Pro forestalls dangers of periodontitis and gum disease. Dentitox Pro forestalls gum contaminations and agony. Dentitox Pro supplement diminishes teeth agony and aggravation. Dentitox Pro enhancement diminishes the danger of ulcers as well. Dentitox Pro improves your biting conditions. Dentitox Pro deliveries the strain from your jaws. Dentitox Pro drops lessens affectability from drinking or eating whatever is hot or cold. Dentitox Pro lifts the whiteness and sparkling of your teeth. Dentitox Pro builds the veneer strength and keeps teeth from falling early. Dentitox Pro Drops USA saves a great many dollars from the root trench and other dental medical procedures. Dentitox Pro reviews, how is Dentitox Pro better than different teeth and gum supplements? While different teeth and gum supplements contain a ton of added substances and poisons, Dentitox Pro enhancement is 100% liberated from synthetics, poisons and added substances that mischief your teeth. Dentitox Pro Drops assists your teeth with turning out to be more grounded normally and even ensure the lacquer which keeps your teeth solid. Dentitox Pro is a remarkable enhancement accessible as fluid drops to treat every one of your teeth and gum medical problems like gum disease, gentle periodontal issues, gum contaminations, harm in delicate tissues, ulcers, and cavities. Dentitox Pro has effectively been attempted by a huge number of individuals to try different things with its adequacy and everybody has been stunned by the outcomes. Dentitox Pro works like a miracle and shows brings about only a couple days as you see your teeth sparkling white and brilliant. Dentitox Pro drops, how can it work? Dentitox Pro has such countless nutrients, minerals, plants and homegrown concentrates that get into the foundation of the issue and treat every one of your teeth issues normally. Dentitox Pro, when applied to your teeth and gums straightforwardly, opens up pathways to enter inside. Presently the way toward purifying starts. This permits characteristic fixings, for example, neem, licorice, peppermint and different nutrients and minerals to enter profound to support your teeth and gums. When the teeth and gums are supported and fixed, the Dentitox Pro Drop starts to shape a more grounded polish and insusceptible framework. Dentitox Pro Drops framework will keep your mouth from permitting any unsafe microbes or infection from getting by in your framework or even oral well-being. At the point when no microscopic organisms is kept and put away, your teeth will be liberated from cavities, tartar and plaque. Also, your gums will be liberated from so many gum illnesses. This forestalls the terrible scent and different other dental medical problems that harvest up with microscopic organisms. Consequently, Dentitox Pro has been supported by various researchers to treat teeth and gum issues. Dentitox Pro Drops conclusion. Among every one of the dental arrangements out there, you won't ever get anything like Dentitox Pro. This is simply because of its all-common definition. Dentitox Pro Drops even assists manage tartar and plaque develop which normally annihilates your teeth well-being. Dentitox Pro is really a champ as it causes no results and keeps up your teeth and gum well-being as though you're still youthful. Individuals who have attempted Dentitox Pro definitely realize that it works normally and you won't ever need to go to a dental specialist facility again. You never need to stress in any way, shape or form over burning through large number of dollars at a dental center and completing different medical procedures. Simply use Dentitox Pro Drops Price 1 arrangement and every one of your concerns will be no more. On the off chance that you are prepared to change your oral well-being and improve the nature of your teeth and gums, don't stand by any longer.